I'm on YouTube right now, and I just typed in Termux, and okay, I don't need to watch the video because this dude was nice enough to put the basic steps over here to install the Ubuntu. I want to Debian, but let's just go with Ubuntu. It's almost the same thing. Of course, you have to upgrade first. Let me just clear this thing up over here. Clear. Of course, you have to do package update. And wait, hold on, let me change -y and package upgrade. That's the command you need first. In case you can't see it, let me just make sure you can see it. Sometimes you can't see it on the screen. See right there? That's the basic command. And then after you do that, package install. I like to do like vim and then like core utils, wget git, maybe curl maybe, but I think that's enough. This right here is basics. Once you do this, oh wait, this, and then there's another one you have to do. We're gonna go install proot. So git, proot, and wget. Let's go with proot. I don't actually have that yet, so I believe I have git and wget, but git. But I could always just make sure that I have git -y. Yeah, I believe I still got it. So then after that, and then I just have to eventually hold on, let me see something. So you got https://NEO OLI / whatever Termux -UBU. There's more. Let me just click on it and then eventually copy it from the. You simply have to just click on the. See on top there the URL. See up here. It says it gives you the option to share, copy, or edit. Just copy that. Let's go back to Termux. Let's see something. GIT space clone space, and then you paste. It looks good. Press enter, and then ls. And then go to Termux. Ubuntu directory, and then type in ls. Then I'm not sure if you have to give this one permission to run. Maybe the permission was already given, but let's just see. Tab. By the way, that's the tab key next to the between the escape and the control key right here. So dot / is the whenever you want to run a script, you use period and then /. So the period and the / is like a machine or like an engine to run stuff. But usually you have to give it permission. But let's just see this one. Okay, it's working. So I guess the whenever you the git clone, whatever the hell, somehow it already gave it permission. So as you can see, it's already 1/4 away, so 1/3 now. 1/2. 3/4. Almost 100%. One whole. Should be done in about 20 seconds or less. Okay, see now it tells you can launch Ubuntu with the start Ubuntu. First of all, the first thing you should always do is ls to see what you're at. I mean, what scripts, what files. Okay, so start Ubuntu.sh. Okay, I mean it can't get simpler than that. You simply // I'm gonna tell you that's the run command, and then sta then tab, as you can see, and there you have it, folks. I have this is Ubuntu. Now let me think for a second. Let me type in ls. Usually the first thing you do is update it, of course. Update. I'm not sure if I should type in apt-get, but let's just see if this works. Sudo command. So let's just try apt update. Something's happening. That's always good. The longer it takes, the better. 6. Alright, good. It seems to be working. Yeah, when it comes to Debian and Ubuntu, sometimes you type in apt-get, sometimes you don't. Sometimes you gotta type in sudo, sometimes you don't. Well, this is Ubuntu. Now I want to know if I can access the phone memory storage like I could with the regular Termux. We're still using Termux, but now it's different. Not sure if it's necessarily better, but you do have access to more programs. Press up, and now upgrade. -Y. Okay. Now to test it, I guess apt-get. This is the usual. I was gonna type in sudo, but let's just see if this works. apt-get install a basic thing like vim, or even easier, mc midnight commander. Type in y, enter. You saw that it only took 3 minutes or so to install Ubuntu in the Termux. All you gotta do is upgrade it and install git, wget, I guess wget, I'm not sure. I know proot, git, and then just follow basic instructions. This is taking longer than I expected. This is only MC. MC is so light. It's a lightweight program to look at your files. MC stands for Midnight Commander. It's one of the most fundamental file managers you will ever see. A lot of people prefer Ranger over MC, or Midnight Commander, I guess, because you can see the files right away. You can see the contents of the file, and it's easier to delete, I guess. I'm not sure. No, I kind of like Midnight Commander better because you can delete a file simply by touch of a button. Like you type in a certain key, like F something. The F keys are important with Midnight Commander. I'm not sure how to do anything with Ranger except look at the files and go into the files. But see, that's something I have to. I guess I should look into. By the way, if you want an editor that is not bad, it's Micro is pretty good, but Micro by default does not have the auto text wrap, so that means that the line will keep going and going off the screen until you. It's not really good. So VIM has by default it has the auto text wrap, so that's always good. So now let's test it. As you can see, the Midnight command is working fine. What I don't like about this, see, I don't even know how to get out of this thing. Escape. I usually just press Control Z. Whenever you're having trouble getting out of a location, just you could press Control Z, or you could hold the screen, press more, and then kill the process. It'll kill the entire session. It's just a faster way to do things. All right, let's just see something though. Let's ls cd ls no cd / enter then ls. As you can see, you have more access, but I'm not even sure. I guess it's good to have it, but I don't know how to access the system storage. Wait, ls root. There's nothing here. Yeah, so well, first of all, before I get out of here, let me just type in cd and then exit again. I'm bash. I'm gonna go back to ZSH. I don't know. I kind of like fish better than all of them. Do I even have fish? Control Z, Control D. Let me get out of here. Hold on. See fish. That's not what it. Why does fish have all of a sudden has a different prompt? I'm basically gonna go into the fish. I made a mistake. Get out of here. Quit and don't save! Exclamation. Let me go see. First of all, first thing you do is clear. Second thing you do is press CD to go home. Next CD. Then ls, as you can see, CD. Now ls, whatever. See what says etc. Let's try now. VIM etc slash. I forgot. Yeah, you could do it this way too. Double tap. Oh wait, fish. Enter. See config.fish. Enter. This is the files. I want to do the different prompt. I don't know why the prompt is different, but to change the press I for insert if you're in VIM editor. You could also use nano, which is easier. If you, sometimes it's easier. So then you type in function fish prompt enter echo and whatever you want. You could do whatever you want on this thing. So I forgot how to do this. Access the smiley faces. I was gonna put a smiley face, but whatever. No big deal. You just type in fish. Whatever you want to put, doesn't really matter. Put a space. And then type in end. Set. Exit. Save it. WQ. Then type in. Well, just go home first. Now type in fish. You don't have to go home, but let's just type in fish. Oh, didn't work. Let me see something. Supposed to work. Ah, that's weird. Let's see something I want to change. I hate it when I have to, when I'm trying to highlight something and it takes. I guess this is a command that I was supposed to put in the first place. No, that was easier. I don't know. Just get out of here for a second. By the way, let me just show you real fast. In Bash, you could actually write a function. Wait, no, let's just see something. So in Bash, you can By the way, Bash is a lot of people prefer Bash over all the other, you know, other shells. Oh, I see. I had to name it. So function etc. Let's just say etc. That I'm gonna just say paste this. Basically, I want to write a function to open the go into the etc. So I want to see if this works. It seems like the first thing, I mean, this over here forward slash data forward slash com dot termux /files. It's important to access the user etc and all these other files. So, because I was always typing in cd space forward slash or cd space 2 periods and then enter. Then eventually it'll go into the USR and a few other files available. But this one seems to be better. So I want to just erase. Let me see something. I don't know. Let me see something. By the way, in case you didn't know yet, Control A is to go to the beginning. Control E is to go to the end. And let me copy this before I even show you this one. The next command, shortcut, I mean, Control U is to erase the whole thing, the entire command. But let me see something. Maybe Control U is not to erase the entire thing. So now I put the cursor like almost to the middle. Now let's press Control U again. So now let me see Control E. So I want to see the true function of Control U for a second. Paste. Oh well, I see this. See. Okay, so Control U actually erases from the cursor and any command or code to the left of it. So in other words, yeah. So it's the beginning. So anything on the left side is going to be erased over here. So if I say over here, and I press Control U. I mean, what the hell was that? Let me just share it fast. So let me just. First of all, let me just clear this up. I know it's confusing. Okay, so let's get this over here. So if I see I'm over here, right? And I type in Control U, instead of erasing the whole thing, it just erase whatever was on the left side of the cursor. The cursor is the pink highlight right there. So it's important. It's good to know. And then Control E is to go to the end. Control A is to go back. I'm sure there's other shortcuts, but so see if I have the cursor all the way to the beginning, and I type in Control U, you see nothing happens, no effect. But I press Control E, then I press Control U. As you can see, it erased everything because the cursor was all the way to the right side, which was all the way to the ending. So basically, Control U is like a super back delete button, backspace, whatever back. But anyway, what was I trying to do in the beginning? Oh yeah, I just want to see. No, I was just gonna try to do something. Escape, GG will take you all the way all the way to the beginning of VIM. Press I for inserts on top. I'm gonna eventually create a file called aliases, so or my aliases, so that I can know that it's mine. It doesn't exist yet, but it will in a second. Oh yeah, it's good to indicate where the directory is. Hold on, let me go to my aliases. Wait, I made a mistake. Escape, insert. The tilde and the / indicates home directory. I have to memorize the other thing eventually, like this one over here. Watch, I want to show you something. See over here, it says / data, then data com.termux/files. It's important to memorize that because if you're gonna keep dealing with Termux. So I could have done that too. Just source. If I would have done that, let me see. Space, not there, but I'm not sure if it would be this or if it would be this. It's one of these two that would equal the home directory. Actually, the simplest way, click on new session, type in bash if you want. It doesn't really matter. Right now I'm CCSH. Now just type in pwd and it'll tell you exactly where you're at. Oh, I see. So data / com.termux / files / home is the actual. So if I was to type that, what's the difference between that and this? Let me see something. I'm just trying to see something real fast. Control V. So data.com / termux / files. Oh, okay. So instead of home, you have usr / etc. Okay. So just the home goes away. Well, that's simple enough. Let's go back to the VIM. Alright, so basically, okay, so let me erase this. I don't want to put a capital, I just want to put M. Eventually, yeah, so escape, WQ, save and exit, CD to go home. Now, let me see something. Now I want to create or change the name of aliases to my aliases. Now, as you can see, I just changed here. If I want to see what's in there, just cat. There's nothing in there, so I should go in there and type in a few things. VIM, my tab, enter, I, and then just start typing alias, say K for equal. There's no space whenever you use it. There. It's good to type in the aliases as soon as you can because you will have to use it. Alias. This one's important too. I mean, it saves you time. I don't know if I can do this, but let's see. APT list. Let's help right now. Oh yeah, by the way, you might want to. So this is now the ZSH, I think. I don't even know. Is it? Nope. I could have sworn I had it. Hold on. Well, you don't have to get out. You can just go here. Oh, because CSH has naturally has other aliases. Oh, I see. So this is actually working. It's just that the L one is not working. I'll show you. So if I type in, wait a second. Just want to see something. So if I go to CSH, it's gonna show you that the aliases are working. So if I type B and I press enter, you should go to w3mbing.com. As you can see, is working with bing.com. So now I want to get out of here for a second, and I want to go to go into the bash. I think this is it. Yep. So then I for insert, then escape GG to go all the way to the top. Press I for insert. Source. I want the aliases to be in here too, obviously. My aliases. And escape, colon, up arrow, enter. Now if I go to bash, if I press B, press enter, it should go to big.com as well. Press key there. So the aliases is working, and if I press K for clear, and if I press L on bash, it's gonna work, right? Yep. And cat. I want to write an alias for ZSH theme. So the first thing I would do is see what's actually in this file, which is the link. So I would just copy this, and then go to my aliases. This is add alias ZSH themes. Equals W3M, paste. You can use the space here. Looks okay. Escape. Save. Type a bash. So the shortcut is now in there. So now if I type in ZSH. Oh, cool. I just I forgot. I just realized or remembered that the tab key, which is between the escape and the control key, you see here. The tab actually also does autocomplete for the aliases as well. So I just press ZSHT for theme, the alias that I just added, and I press tab. As you can see, it's autocomplete. So let's see if it actually works. Anyway, press enter. As you can see, it went to a link, and this is the link for the themes. See over here, these are the themes. AF Magic, AF Fowler, Agnoster, Amuse, Aussie, Um, I want to try something. Yes. W get. I just want to see something. Copy this. Paste, then just want to see something real fast. See something. See, it's an HTML, I guess. HTML. Forget it. I'm sure there's a way, I just didn't want to. I'm gonna remove themes and enter. See the CSH, all you gotta do is type in vim the ZSHRC and it'll actually take you. Right now my current theme is Nicolaj, I guess, but I want to change it to random, no capital letters, all small lowercase. See over here, random. Escape. Save this, and then I'll type in ZSH. As you can see now, it's different. And the name is right up here. See right here? This is the name. Copy this. I want to do something this way. I actually like this one. I think I'm going to keep this one instead. It looks like a machine. So just want to see something. Just want to go inside here. Let's just paste. And escape. W at Q. ZSH. As you can see, it's working. Just yeah. So the name is always sort of hidden in between, right here. Right here. That's what you write. You don't type in the dots or the ZSH dash theme. You just type in whatever's right before the dot ZSH dash theme, which is this final dash time. I would like to keep note of this one, so type in. I want to go into the ZSH RC file for a second. Whatever. Just get out of here. I was gonna just keep note of the fact that this one's cool. Do I really want? I'm gonna see how this looks when I put the default color. Defaults. That looks pretty good. Maybe I should. Maybe it's too much data. You know what? I think I'm gonna go back into my. Can't make up my mind, as obviously you can see. I'm just gonna keep it at random until I'm 100% sure that I actually want it. So now if I type in ZSH, I don't know if I should. See, that's no ugly. I don't need to know the time. Interesting. Yeah, too slow. See, this one's pretty good. I like this one for some reason. This one is KPHOEN. The other one that you just saw was this one, Dog and Punk. This one, Kiwi. Hell no. Might want to get a prompt where it's not, or a theme that's not gonna. This one's called Refined. That's too little now. Local host, that's kind of cute. X. So hard to find a decent theme. Oh, this is not bad. It's very simple. Although it dares to use the bash $sign. How dare you? Only bash could use that $sign. I don't know why I need Perl, but let's just might as well. This one's called Gary Blessington. Oh, I kind of like this one. Gary Blessington. What a name. I wonder if that's a real name. Blessington. So now I'm gonna obviously go into the VSHRC file .vs. Whatever, just erase. Paste. For now, save up WQ. As you can see, this is the prompt now. I'll figure out how to add my own themes, how to make my own theme. Well, anyway, thanks for watching. That's his fish. Exit. Okay. Bash. Wait a second. Oh. Good old bash. Well, thanks for watching. Goodbye.